we read Prabhupada's books and it says everyone in the spiritual world, whether they're a tree in Shanta or whether they're in Dasyaras, serving, or a friend, or a mother or father, or a lover or a wife, they're all completely satisfied and blissful. They're not thinking, oh, I wish I was a gopi. Oh, I'm a tree. I don't like being a tree. I wish I was a bird. And I don't like being a bird. I wish I was a deer. I don't like being a deer. I wish I was a cow. Oh, I don't want to be a cow. I'd rather be a cowboy. They don't. That's the Chaitanya Charitamrita says everyone is completely blissful. And then if you say, well, sometimes they say we're envious, so there's no envy. Then the other argument is they say, well, we want to enjoy like Krishna. But that argument's also defeated because you want to enjoy like Krishna, just like, and so there's no envy. And the proof of there's no envy is that you want to enjoy like Krishna, so Krishna says, all right. He'll give you a whole spiritual world. That's what it means, Sarupya Mukti. You want to enjoy like Krishna. You want all the opulence. You want your own goddess of fortune. That's Sarupya Mukti. Everybody has Sarupya or Samipya. They all have desire. But even Vaikuntha, there's desire for myself. Because I want Sarupya. That's why Lord Chaitanya says, I don't want any Mukti. Because Mukti is a desire. It says Mukti and Karma is one song by Narottam Das Thakur. It says, Vishaya Kanda. It says, Karma Kanda, Jnana Kanda, Vishaya Karma Bandha. Narottam Das Thakur is saying that Kanda means the practice, the followers, the Gyanis, or the people following karma, which is 90% of India, or 99%, doing something or doing some puja to get some result, or doing some yajna to get some result, or doing some tapa to get some result. That's karma. And then again, they want also a result, but they want to merge into Brahman or get mystic cities. So he said these type of practices these are pots of poison, Vishaya, Visha Bandha. These are just pots of poison. So the point of that we want to enjoy like Krishna, Krishna says, okay, you want to enjoy like God? You want the same form as God? Okay, Sarupya Mukti.